Hey guys, so today we're making some snow slime. So let's get into that video. So you haven't watched my last video. I did this clear slime. And now I'm making snow slime. I'm using. So yeah. So the ingredients you're going to need is blue shaving cream, a bowl to mix it with, and a bowl to mix it and a spoon or something to mix it with. Some renew or contact solution, baking soda water. That's it. So the first thing, that's the thing. First thing, I'm going to making fluffy slime. You can do the same thing as making the clear slime that I made in last video. This. I already used this one, so yeah, not that much, not even through half that I used it for a lot of things. So I'm not adding that much because I know when you add the shaving cream, it'll double the side. So it's time for the shaving cream. But wait, before the shaving cream, then we put the same hack that I did with the mayonnaise. But you don't have to add the baking soda. I just like to add it because for me, it's better. But don't add all that. Just add like a little bit or a teaspoon at a time. Not all that. I added not a teaspoon, I think, or maybe a little teaspoon. But look, it's already turning into slime. Now it's time to add the shaving cream. Sorry to make so much noise. I'm out of shaving cream. I forgot to buy it yesterday. Yeah, so you add this to up. And all that up. Yeah. So mine has a lot of bubbles because I don't have that much shaving cream. And now you just add the Renew, not with the baking soda, just Renew. Then I get the extra pack if I need more. But I don't need more, but I'm just saying. Wait, the flow's ready? So, you guys might be thinking, how did I make this snow slime? Is it because it's like almost the same method as like fluffy slime? Well, you find out later. And that's not medicine. Pretty close to medicine. So yeah. let me add more of this. Until it gets how it needs to be. And please, when you do this, don't make it that sticky because then it will not stick to all the things that makes it snow slime. So this looks like butter slime, but it's not because I haven't put like any clay. Yeah. But still don't put it if it's not slimy like that. Now let's splashed everywhere. Well, it's unsticking a little bit. Now it's time to dig in the hands. But I have so much dirty hands from last video and now from this video. More. I'm putting some more in my hand. It can be better. Getting the whole thing. Oh my god, this actually, it feels like butter slime. And guys, I've never made butter slime in a video before, but I've made it in no video. But in one video, once I'll show you. This actually feels just like butter slime. It's so smooth. Okay, did I accidentally made butter slime? Did I not add any cream? So it's just smooth slime. So I'm keeping this slime next white. I never made white slime because I made some white slime, but after a video, I always put some food coloring in it. Yes, absolutely. Like when I made that butter slime in no video, I turned it. And it was white. I turned it red. Still have it. So yeah, when it's not that sticky, but it's cool and it's slimy, like a slime. See, I made some snow, some DIY homemade snow with some just water and the pamper part. Pamper part, that's how you make super easy snow. I only made a little bit. Yeah, let's stick it to that. Every time, the slime at first should be super watery, but let it dry. If it's super watery, just let it dry. Because my snow is super watery because I just took it out of the water. So yeah, I got my fan right there. Got my fan. Let me just get this little controller that controls my whole room. I think we're thank you. Okay. Let me get this racking cream. This one I just found. Remember what others and or something is I'm not. I clean my floor. I think yesterday. A week ago I cleaned it. I don't know if they cleaned it yesterday, but yeah. But a week ago I just cleaned it. Yesterday. But yeah. Well, look at my hands right now. Seeing everything. Yeah. And drawing at the same time. I think it's good. Over here. So guys, I think right now is the perfect way. So this for me is good. Still has a lot of water in it. Doesn't matter because we can take out all the slime and not the water. We can eat the slime. No, going to the floor. This is a mess. See, it might be messy at the first start at first, but then it will actually turn. You just need it. See this? Too louder. Come on. It's getting unsticky. I think this is as much as I can get it. Green. My aunt is here. She said, right. What is this? But look. It is now. So guys, like this video, please click like and subscribe and comment down below if this took a long time to make. Sorry that you cannot see my head. So, bye.